Hello everyone! Welcome to my video on how to make these cute spider walnuts cookies. They are not only perfect for Halloween where you want to add a touch of spooky fun, but also super easy to make. They are crunchy and full of nutty flavor from the ground walnuts. If you like the combination of walnut and chocolate, I'm sure you will love this recipe. In this video, I will show you how to make the dough from scratch. Don't worry, this cookie dough can be done in no time, trust me. Also, I'll be showing you how to decorate these cookies to look like spiders in just a few simple steps. So if you are looking for a fun and easy baking project for your Halloween party, look no further. Let's get started. Step number 1, make the dough. First of all, place the walnuts in a food processor and grind them into almost powder-like texture, just like this. Then place 50 grams of softened unsalted butter, 40 grams of icing sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of sea salt in a large mixing bowl. Beat them at medium speed until the texture turns fluffy. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl before adding the egg white and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue to beat them for about 1 minute or so until the mixture turns into something like this. Let's move on to the dry ingredients. Sieve in 100 grams of cake flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. Then remove the sieve, add the ground walnut. Mix it with a spatula until it forms a dough. Wrap the dough well in cling film and chill it for an hour or until it is firm. Meanwhile, let's preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Step number 2, shape and bake the cookies. To achieve the uniform in size, we need a scale. If you don't have one, you can eyeball it. It doesn't matter if some spiders are bigger than the others, does it? Divide the dough into 13 to 14 grams each portion. This recipe can make around 20 to 23 pieces. Then roll each dough into a ball. Use a measuring spoon to press down the center to create an indentation for the nest. Here I'm using a half teaspoon one. When you are happy with the shape, arrange it on a lined baking sheet. Continue to shape the rest of the cookie dough. If you want to make the spider nest in advance, after you shaping them, place the whole tray in the freezer to let the nest go firm. Then place the nest in the freezer bag. When you need them, bake them 1 or 2 minutes longer than the usual baking time. Now the nests are done, place the tray in the fridge for about 10 minutes to let them go firm to help keeping them in shape while baking them. Bake them in a preheated oven for about 18 to 20 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Once the cookies are done, remove them from the oven. They smell so good and it is tough to not to eat them straight away now. Let them sit on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them onto a wire rack to cool down completely. Step number 3, decorate the cookies. It comes to the fun part. Let's turn these delicious cookies into spooky spiders. To do that, here I'm melting 50 grams of 70% dark chocolate for the spiders' legs and eyes. When it is cool, pour it into a piping bag. For the body, you will need some chocolate balls. I'm sure you know where to find them. For the eyes, there are 2 options. You can use the store-bought candy eyes or make your own. Here I'm going to show you. Take a teeny tiny bit of white fondant, roll it into a ball, cut it in half, then shape it into an oval, then flatten it slightly. Continue to make as many as you need. Alright, everything is ready. Let's get the spider in action. Pipe some chocolate in the center of the cookies, then pipe 4 spider legs on each side. Place a chocolate ball in the center to create a spider's body. Then pipe a tiny bit of chocolate onto the ball to stick the eyes on. Pipe a tiny drop of chocolate to create a pupil. Ta-da! Your first spider walnut cookie is done. Continue to create as many spiders as you need. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and share it with your friends and family. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more fun and easy baking recipes. Thank you so much for watching and happy Halloween. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!